This is the Cardinal 35FL. This is a 43-foot fifth wheel with a huge front living area and a full bedroom in the back. Let's go check it out. This RV's entry door is towards the back, so you only have one entry and there's not one up front. But look at this space. When I heard that this was 43 feet, I was surprised because this feels longer. Yeah, this is just crazy that this is 43 feet. Let's go ahead and start in this large kitchen area. It looks like Thanksgiving just happened, but I mean, you could literally cook a Thanksgiving dinner in this kitchen. Over here you have your farmhouse sink, lots of cabinet space underneath, tons of cabinets up top, and then all of that storage. Really nice. Another one of these large microwaves, 3-burner cooktop, and a nice big oven for that turkey we were just talking about. Over here is going to be a drink fridge. This is not the refrigerator for this camper, do not worry. This is the refrigerator. You're gonna have your freezer on the one side and your refrigerator on the other side. Over here is going to be your dinette setup. So you're gonna have a table chair setup, so not like a booth dinette. It does look like you have a cover for the chair and then they get tied in around the table on a travel day. Lots of nice large windows, and then stepping up to this front living room area, this is huge. Something that's really great about this fifth wheel is that you not only have a bedroom in the back, but you've got 2 more full queen size beds up here. This right here is a tri-fold sofa that pulls out and flips out to about here, and then you have the same thing over here. Over here is going to be some recliner seats. So you just pull the lever, if I can get it, and just like that, you've got some nice seats. I wish these were a little bit nicer for this size of an RV. Maybe some heat massage features would be nice, or even a better kind of leather, but it's not bad. You do have a cup holder right here, and then right now I've got an excellent view of that TV. All right, so this right here is the front entertainment center, and you're about to be surprised of what's actually behind here. You're gonna have this large TV, your fireplace, cabinet space on the side, but that right there, that large deep cabinet is very wimpy compared to this right here. It's nice to see that they really utilized the front cap of this RV by filling it with lots of shelving and space right here, and even a coat hanger. This is really nice, especially if you are a full-time couple who need this extra storage space that you kind of just want to hide and don't have to stare at all the time. That right there is pretty nice, but what's really nice is the back bedroom in the back. Let's go check it out. Now we're in the back bedroom. It's a pretty nice space. Now, this is a large bed, but what's even larger is the storage space underneath. Now, a lot of campers, the storage space will end right about halfway through. This goes all the way back, so that is really nice. Again, a lot of storage options in this camper. Back here is going to be a huge closet, and underneath of the back cabinet space in the bedroom is this huge exterior storage. Check it out. Over here is going to be some nice pull-out drawers, soft close cabinets. You do have the window right here with a sliding curtain, and then you do have a TV backer right here, so you have a really solid wall so you can mount your TV right there. Above the bed, you're gonna have some more cabinet space and outlets on the side. And then over here, this is a huge cabinet space which is prepped for washer and dryer. So this is definitely the ultimate full-time coach for anyone who maybe wants that feel with the living room up front, and you can sleep, I don't know, 4 to 5 people in this coach. So this is really nice. Now, time for the bathroom. Now that we're in the bathroom, there's a lot to check out. So this is your shower, and something that's really nice about these tall fifth wheels is that, I mean, I can't even reach the skylight. Usually my head is brushing the skylight. Not in this camper. Now, the one thing that I wish manufacturers would do would mount the shower head a little bit higher or extend this space just a little bit higher so that the shower head would actually sit above my head. Another thing that's really nice about this bathroom is that you have the Max Air fan with the controls mounted on the wall. Really nice large mirror in this bathroom and a decent sized sink. We also had this little storage space. But unfortunately, for $64,000, all you get is a plastic toilet. All right, so that right there is going to do it for the tour of this Cardinal 35FL. This fifth wheel is pretty impressive. It's got so much to offer. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see more RV tours like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.